Keep the angle between the contact screw and the front spring at about 50 degrees. Fix this screw. Install a needle grommet, then head to tip. Fix it. Insert the needle. Release the clamp. Fix it. Make sure that the needle does not expose. If the needle is exposed, the lines will be inconsistent instead of smooth. Fix the clamp. Fix this screw. Install the rubber band. Install the clip cord. Rotate the contact screw until you hear a crisp sound without any noise. Then fix this screw. It's done.
This one works awesome.